Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer, and today I'm in Kenton on a classic 1930s Newcastle street of semi-detached houses to show you a redesigned and renovated 5-bedroom home. This is classic contemporary living. Inside, there's an inviting living room with a beautiful ceiling rose and modern chandelier and a traditional bay window for so much natural light. Through into the open plan kitchen dining space, which has been designed to allow the space to flow freely. There's a kitchen island with quartz detailing and a spectacular glazed backdrop. The French door leads out into an enormous green garden, fully lawned with a spacious patio. This garden is one of the highlights of the property. This home has been thoughtfully renovated throughout, with classic 1930s 4-panel doors, traditional column radiators and brushed brass fixtures and fittings. Upstairs, this home opens out even further with 5 double bedrooms, 2 on this side and 3 on the other, all beautifully bright with modern carpeting and neutral decor. The fully tiled bathroom has accents of brushed brass with a walk-in rainfall shower, freestanding bath and wall-mounted taps for a luxury finish. In the 1930s, homes were built to a style and standard unmatched ever since. 100 years later, this one needed bringing into the 21st century. This is classic contemporary living. Until next time.